at my school's book fair, they had a collectible Minecraft Steve. It was like 31 bucks, but I bought it, and I'm gonna make an unboxing video. So it's like $31.99. Minecraft and Steve. And there's a little creeper right there. I mean, I would make Minecraft videos, it's just I cannot figure out a way to record my phone screen. So it's Steve, except he's white. Maybe that's why they put the question mark, because he's white. And it comes with a diamond sword. It has this like mask thing on top, because that's clear. It has this both sides. Diamond edition. So let's get to unboxing. Alright. Yeah, unbox that crap. Oh, that looks like a creeper. It's supposed to be vinyl. And there it is. Oh. Yeah. Do you like my sword, my diamond sword, you cannot afford my diamond sword, eat it right now, Steve. Shaw. There we go. Oh crap. I don't want to mess that up. Let's go, Steve. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh crap, did I screw? Oh crap, what did I do? Oh, okay. Oh, the helmet comes off. It's pretty cool. Oh crap. It's like perfectly made. It has a little outline or whatever. Maybe I can like fix the legs while they stand up. I don't know. Hold on a second. Well, I think he'd look kind of emo if I did this. Yep. Like a boss. Like a boss. Whenever you get bored with your Steve thing, you know what you do? Paint his eyes white. And then paint this exact color. These two things, and then shade it a little brown. Hello, brown. Hello, brown. Look at that floor for a second, okay? Got the beautiful floor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh bro. Oh, bro. Oh. just gonna collect the box, so. Oh, crap. This really bad blister on my mouth. Because one morning I decided to get McDonald's before school and I'm half awake. And I take a bite of a hash brown. And I bite the crap out of my lip and it starts bleeding. And I'm like, ah! So now I have this giant thing. Just a giant clump and it hurts like crap. Oh! Yes! Oh yeah! I was tempted out of my mind to cut this off and then wear it as a mask at school. That'd be funny. Crap. Steve's gonna stare at you guys, if you don't mind. Oh, bro, that's pretty cool. I mean, it looks nothing like the game. It looks like, I forgot the name of it. You guys see, let me get closer to the light. Oh my god, I cannot. You guys can't see. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Okay. Look at little Tim sleeping so soundly. Wake up, there's a monster. Don't worry, don't worry, I have a help for you. Set the torch. Set the torch. I watched that video once. Crap, I keep on doing that, and I realize that I make my videos screw up when I do that. You got your new book sack? Bro. My new shoes. My new socks. Bro. You mad, bro? You mad? There's Herobrine's eye. As you can see, because it's glowing. It's totally not the moon. Okay, I'm trying to think of... what's the name of it? Oh, let me check my phone. Why am I going to Star Wars? Because I have it. Mind Builder. Watch, it's the same exact graphics basically. Slender. Look, see? Isn't it? Isn't it the same exact graphics? Is that the same exact graphics? That's right, it's the same exact graphics. What? Sorry about that. Okay. Whatever. Turning this entire video into... What? Oh! Oh. Let me just... I know. Alright. That's the name of it. Mind Builder. So... Oh! Nailed it. Alright. Crap! I burned that! Steve. Funny, right? Because he's not there. Steve. Steve, are you okay? Bro. I'm gonna he's like, I'm gonna mine this block. second. Hold on a second. Hold on, stop. Hold on. Hold on a second. Hey. Alright. Oh, you pissed me off.
Yeah.
Oh, I fall on this kid's neck. Oh, my diamond sword. Do you like my sword, my fallen sword? You can. Let me try the other hand, and then in the other hand, maybe it'll work. Oh, should I know? Work. It just worked. Gross. Oh, I seriously got sunburned. You seeing this? Look how red I am. Look, see this part? Watch. See it? Yeah, that's right. In my arms, you probably can't see that. Want to see a cool magic trick? You can try this on your friends too. It's real. Alright, it's touching the box, right? See? It's touching the box. Watch. Magic. Like a boss. So. Steve? So many things I can create. Oh, wait a second. Please don't copyright me for using Minecraft. But, Steve? Crap. Oh, I've been doing it sideways. I'm so sorry. Let me adjust the brightness settings. See that? You do that? Oh.
Came today. He was coming from brother, you said?
Steve?
So brother got a truck? It's a brand new truck?
Get away.
Monica?
What?
Did you come give him that? Oh, okay. Okay then.
I'm sorry.
Alright, well y'all too. Okay.
Whatever, I gotta end this video.